YouTube, what's up, baby? It's your boy Jellz, and I'm back with another video. Let's go! Okay, so those of you who follow me know my DAW of choice is Studio One. I do all of my mixing in Studio One, but the studio I record out of is all Pro Tools. So a lot of people reach out to me and ask me, how do I get my files from Pro Tools into Studio One? So without further ado, let's dive into the computer and find out. Let's go! Okay, YouTube, we're back. Now that we're inside the computer, we're going to get to work. This is being recorded on the Blue Yeti caster, by the way. Alright, so this is a track by an artist, Lee Fatale. This is her intro to her new EP, so I'm not going to play it because she doesn't want anybody to hear it right now. But I'm just going to give you an example of how I export this Pro Tools session and get it ready for my Studio One sessions, because like I said, I record in Pro Tools and I mix in Studio One. So first we're going to highlight all the tracks. Make sure you have them all. Just go ahead and highlight them. Then we're going to go to edit and we're going to hit consolidate clip. You can see when we hit consolidate clip, it just makes sure all the files are the same size, basically filling in everything with dead space. So me personally, I like to slide this out a little bit from the edge. And this is on Mac, so I hit Shift Command K to bring up the export settings. Wave, mono, 24-bit, 44.1. etc., etc. You can see it on the screen. Choose your destination. I like to just move it into the same folder but into bounce files. Hit open. Hit export. And just let it do the work. Okay, now that that's done, we've successfully exported the files. Now I'm going to pull up Studio One and show you guys what to do from here. Okay, now that we have Studio One pulled up, we'll go ahead and grab our folder where we stored our files. We're going to go ahead and highlight everything and just simply slide it in. There goes our complete Studio One session that we bounced from Pro Tools. And it's simply that easy, man. And these files will transfer to any DAW. As you can see, all the files are the same size. So it's basically a drag and drop or import, however your DAW accepts the files. It's simply that easy, man. Alright, so let's get out of this computer and wrap this video up. As you guys can see, that process wasn't hard at all, and it works from basically any DAW. You export them out of Pro Tools, you could import them into any DAW and it'll work. That's it, guys. That's all for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, be sure to contact me in the email below. Also, I am an Amazon influencer, so anything you see in the home studio or anything you see me talking about, please look in the description below. There's Amazon links with special pricing. And again, it's your boy Jellz. I'm gone.